Today we will show you how we paint
a rainbow butterfly.
Yes. So on the boards that I have, a rainbow butterfly looks like this. Yes, very pretty.
With a rainbow in the back.
Yes, and the rainbow. I'm going to use Craze palette today. So I have a rainbow, very well loved Craze palette. So we'll be using
and
this
lipstick in the end?
Yes, and lipstick and eyelashes at the end. So I'm going to start with this small rainbow. And I have a 1-inch brush. I'm going to grab another brush to pick up orange color. Next will be sponge. Okay, wet it with some water.
Yeah.
So we're picking up these colors.
It's so pink.
It's so pretty, yeah.
I mean, it's a rainbow.
So we're going to just dab it. Okay, keep your eyes closed, please. So pretty. And just turn it this way. Okay. Just dab, dab, dab. And then another side. I'm going to use a Q-tip to clean up around here. Wet it a little and clean it up. Perfect. And this side. Alright, that's pretty good. Next, I'm going to pick up angle brush and get these two colors, purple and pink. And then we add details. Same thing on the other side. Next will be part in the middle. Purple looks so pretty.
But your song says black.
Yeah, we can do black or we can do dark purple. And then maybe add a little swirls. So pretty. And we'll add some dots. I like to use a round brush for the dots. If you have a minute, we can add a little sparkles and dots with a small round brush. Blink, 1, 2. How about sparkles? And on another side. And maybe here a little bit. Our paint is dry, so that's good to put it on a dry paint. And how about lipstick?
Yes! Is this the end?
Almost.
Mama, what about this?
Eyelashes?
Yes.
Alright, Adriana loves eyelashes, so we are going to add eyelashes with black paint.
Mama, what about this?
What? Oh, that? Do you want to do that?
Yes.
Alright, I have tag rose for the lipstick. Oh, so pretty. You want that part? So you still want that above eye? This girl doesn't have that.
But I want it.
Okay, so alright, so Adriana remembers that before when we did other butterflies, we had this line above the eyes and she wants it now again. So I'm going to use purple color. The purple I'm using now is from Fusion Palette Leanne's collection, but you can use any purple that you have. Ready? Close your eyes, please. And here comes a line. Oh, the ticklish. Alright, that is a pretty butterfly. What do you think? Alright, you like it?
Is it finished?
It is finished. Is that pretty?
Yes.
And our butterfly is done.
Finished!
Yes, it's finished. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.